This is a bit of a different video. I'm basically asking for some people out there if they have some brilliant ideas or they're very smart about this. I have been editing for quite some time on a decked out Dell M67 laptop. It's a beast. It's all SSDs. It's got a K4000M graphics card from NVIDIA. Lately, since I updated to Premiere Pro 2018 and the newest version, this thing has absolutely dogged out on me. Like on the timeline, you usually have that yellow bar or you have a green bar. Everything right now for me is red. My footage is red. My graphics are red. It's dogging and it's driving me crazy. I know, you're saying, hey, you should update your NVIDIA drivers. Here's the problem I have with that. If I go to the latest NVIDIA drivers or the latest Dell drivers, let me explain. I have my laptop. I do a lot of traveling around to and from and everything else. I take the laptop when I don't have my workstation where I'm working right now. Take the laptop, I undock it. I come home, I dock it. It immediately turns on, and I turn on this large 50-inch screen where I have a wireless mouse, wireless keyboard, and I can sit about 10 feet away from the screen with a fireplace on while my cat sits in front of it and edit in comfort instead of being all crunched in the studio over here where I have this desk and these two monitors and all that. Good. The minute I update to the newest Dell drivers, or the minute I update to the NVIDIA drivers, it starts working, but the HDMI out from my laptop that currently works to my television monitor does not work anymore. I have tried everything. If you have any hints or tips or something for me to make that work, I would love it. Dell, I tried working with Dell. What I got was, no, first I contacted NVIDIA. They didn't know what was going on. They said I needed to talk to Dell. I tried talking to Dell. We tried updating the drivers. We tried midterm drivers. And what I ended up getting from NVIDIA was it's Dell's fault. What I ended up getting from Dell was don't update your drivers. I need someone with some magic brains to help me out with this. If you've experienced this, I'd like to know. Please don't leave comments and tell me to update the drivers, or I need to redo the BIOS and this setting and that setting, and if I do this and everything else, send me down all these paths that don't work. So if you got some solid device with a Dell M6700 using a NVIDIA graphics card that doesn't fry my HDMI out, that gets me back to working with Premiere Pro, please let me know. I would be most grateful. Thank you.